project, so I want to create a library using these blocks. Well, for that we can export these blocks from the drawing as global DWG files, basically a single DWG file containing just one block, and we can save it somewhere on desktop or other location. So in this case, I've created this SourceCAD library folder. Inside this folder, I've created three categories like doors and windows, electrical, and furniture, and these folders are completely empty. So here we are. So it's empty. Now inside these folders we are going to save our blocks. So to do that, I'll go to this and I'll start with write block. So go to insert, create block here and select write block option. You can also use wblock command for this. Now in the source option, I'll select block, and here's a list of all the blocks of this drawing. Select the block which you want to export. In this case, I'll select door, and now specify the location. So in this case, I'll select the ellipsis here and desktop, SourceCAD library, doors and windows, and this is where I'm going to save it. So click on save, and now it's gonna save it. I'll leave the default unit here. It's unitless, so I'll leave it at unitless, but if you want to, you can change it to inches if you want, or any other unit that you prefer. Now I'll click OK, and that block is now saved here as a DWG file. So if I double click here, go to doors and windows, we have this. If you double click to open this, well, we just have only one single file here, and that's our door. Now this method is quite okay, but it's very slow. Now imagine if you want to just export all the blocks, then you just have to repeat the process for every single block, and if you have several drawings, that's going to take some time. Now to automate this process, I have installed a completely free add-in. So if I go to add-in, you'll see that I have this AutoCAD W block option. So this auto W block option will automatically export all the blocks from my drawing, which is really great. So let's